What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's the King Koopa. Thanks for stopping by. So today we have a new hood. It is currently loaded up in the white truck back there. Took like 3 people to get it up there. It is pretty heavy as it is a steel hood. So I'm excited for this video because this was long overdue. Because I was running an HD grill for a while with a non-HD hood. So there was a mad gap here. It just looked terrible. But finally, we're taking this grill off, getting the mesh painted, getting the lower bumper SS grill mesh painted, and we are getting the hood painted. The grills are going to be silver to match the air ducts, so I think it'll look pretty clean. This is a 2-inch cowling hood. We did get it from Summit Racing. I think it was around like 400 bucks maybe after shipping. I can't remember. I did buy it probably like a month ago. It's been sitting in the corner forever. About to take a ride in the white truck, go drop it off to the painter, and then we'll be installing it real soon. Hopefully really complete the look of the little street truck. I've been filming like 4 other videos at the same time right now. So the black truck is just completely gutted right now, doing a lot of work inside there. All the interior stuff is back here, the new dash, going to the whole full sound system. We have Dynamat sound deadener going in, a couple other small things, so stay tuned for those videos. So let's go for a ride. Alright, so we just picked up the hood and the 2 grills, and I think they look pretty nice. So we just wrapped it in blankets and took the back roads all the way back. Let's get her put on. So the hood is completely on, it's finished, and I'm super happy with it. The fitment was great. It took probably 15 minutes to get that all aligned, so that way all the gaps are nice and perfect, and that way the hood is even on both sides. Both grills are done. I honestly couldn't be more happy with it, and I think it really completes the street truck look, makes it look incredibly fast, I think, in my opinion, even though it's not. But that built motor definitely helped out. So the hood... So the hood swap honestly wasn't that hard, but we did run into a couple issues. So right in the very beginning, we went to put some of the bolts in. One of the bolts fell and went on the inside of the inner fender well, and it took us about 15 minutes to find that. So we tried to stuff our long magnet down inside there, got that stuck, and then we ended up getting the bolt, ripped the magnet out, ripped the end of the head off of the magnet. So then we started putting the bolts back in, but one of those threads on that bolt was stripped a little bit, and that stripped a couple of threads out on the inside of the hood. So then we had to retap the threads on that one bolt hole in the hood. Then we filed off the one thread that was messed up on the bolt, and then everything went nice and smooth. So it wasn't too hard, but nothing ever goes to plan, but we ended up getting it done. We still have a couple things left to tidy up inside. We still have to install the nitrous kit, so it's coming, but for right now, I think the best thing to do with it is just drive it. The truck's been sitting for 2 months, so we're about to take it on the cruise. So I just wanted to say thank you for all my fans, all the support, the comments, the subscribes. Thank you to my girlfriend, my dad, everybody for helping out, and I appreciate all the views. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more content coming your guys' way, and I hope you enjoy this video. The link to the grills and the hood are in the description below. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll catch you guys later.